It. Yes!
Hello, teacher.
Hello! Now, how are you today? Teacher is very busy every Wednesday. I have lots of classes today.
Okay.
Today, how are you today, baby? What
I'm
is your
fine.
dinner today?
Oh, rice and eggs. I'm busy.
What did
I'm busy today.
Oh, what did you do today?
I played badminton. I'm lost.
Wow. Okay, baby. Can you give me 1 minute? I'll just go to the bathroom. Okay?
Okay.
Give
Okay.
me 1 minute.
Okay. Bathroom.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. Hello, teacher.
Okay, hold on, baby. Oh my God. Let me ponytail my hair, okay?
Okay.
I am very busy mom today.
Okay.
What did you do today? Can you tell me, baby?
I am go to school and I play badminton.
Oh, you played badminton today?
Yeah, I'm lost.
Oh, are you good in playing badminton?
Yes.
Wow. Hold on, baby. Simon. Simon is here.
Where's Simon?
Simon, can you show yourself to Nam?
Hello, Simon.
He says hello.
Hello.
How are
Hold on,
you,
babe.
Simon?
How are you, Simon?
I'm good. I'm just playing games over here.
I'm good. I just play. Can you hear him?
Yes, I can hear.
Can you say to Kuya to scan this one, baby? Scan the picture and then send it
Okay.
back to me via Facebook Messenger,
I'll
okay?
scan the singing.
Okay, let's go, baby. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let me share my screen, darling.
Okay.
I have lots of classes today, baby.
Okay, me too.
Plenty. Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay.
We are on Unit 12. The last time our lesson is about the vegetables, right? The food. Right now, give it to Kuya, baby. Okay. Yes, so our lesson is about
Party thing.
party things.
Yeah.
So can you tell me, can you give me an example of the things that you can see during parties? Parties.
Party.
Parties. Okay, during parties, baby, what can you see?
Birthday.
What else? Yes, you are correct. Birthday. What else?
Birthday. The boy is birthday.
Is having a birthday party. And what can we
Yes.
see during birthday parties? There are many. What are the things that we can see? Balloons.
Children.
Children.
And cake.
Yes. Okay, let's find out.
Yes.
Okay, let's have vocabulary words.
Butter.
Bottle.
Butter. Pouch. Cup.
Bowl. It's a bowl, baby. Bowl.
Bowl.
And cup.
Cup.
Okay, baby, can you tell me what is a bottle, or what do we use? How do we use the bottle?
Bottle.
Okay, where do we use the bottle?
Let me see.
Look at the picture, baby.
Bottle is drink.
Okay, we use the bottle for drinking because we put water in it. Okay?
Okay.
Bowl.
How I eat.
We use the bowl for eating.
Okay.
Food that has soup. Right?
Yeah.
Or food that has water in it. Okay, how about the cup? Where do we use the cup?
Drink.
To drink hot
Coffee.
like coffee or chocolate, right? Hot chocolate. Okay, next. Glass.
CD play and box.
CD player and box. Glass, baby. Of course, it's very easy. Where do we use the box and the glass?
I love CD play.
No, the glass first, baby.
Glass.
The glass. Where do we use the glass?
Drink.
Of course, we use the glass to drink water. How about the CD player?
Play. I play.
CD player, we used it to play sounds or music. And how about the box?
Box. Many. It's many.
We can put many things inside the box.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What are these? What do we put inside them? Okay, the first one is, look. This is the box. The letter A is a box. How about this one?
Bottle.
Okay, what do we use? What do we put inside the bottle?
Bottle I drink.
No. What do we put?
What?
Inside the bottle. What do we put inside the bottle?
I play football and I drink water.
Okay. How about the third picture? What is it?
It is
a cup.
Cup? No.
Bowl. Sorry.
It's cup.
It's a bowl.
And this cup.
Send it to me.
And cup.
Baby, what do we put inside the bowl?
Bowl, I eat.
Okay. So we already mentioned that. When we eat hot or watery food, we put it in a bowl.
Okay.
How about the cup?
Cup, I drink.
Cup is, we drink hot water or hot chocolate or hot coffee. And the glass?
Glass.
What do
I drink.
Water, yeah.
I drink water.
Juices. Okay, can you read it again, baby? A box, a bottle,
a box, a bottle, a
bowl,
a cup, a glass.
Yes. Okay, what do we put inside the box?
Book, computer.
Oh, book or computer. How about the bottle?
Watermelon.
Water lemonade. Okay, in a bowl, ice cream,
Ice cream, soup, rice. Coffee, tea, soup. And lemonade, juice, and water.
Yay! Very good. Okay, now let's proceed. Write words for four more things that are square and four things which are round. Okay, can you think of things that are square? Four things. Books. What else? Computer.
Yeah.
Table.
And paper.
How about round? What are the four things that are round?
Square.
Square?
Square.
No, round, baby, round.
It's round.
Ball.
Ball. May I see? Bottle.
Bottle, what else?
Glass.
Glass. Okay, look. Can you read all the square?
Boat. Book. Field. Cake bowl. Map. Micro. Roof. Sandwich. Table. Window.
Okay, let me read it again. Board, book, field, keyboard, map, mirror, room, sandwich, table, window. Again.
Boat, book, field, cake bowl, map, micro.
Mirror. It's a mirror, baby.
Mirror.
Mirror.
Room, sandwich, table, and window.
Yay! Round.
Rice ball, blue, cake, CD, clock, DVD, and
Face.
hat, moon. Moon?
Moon. It's round, baby. It's correct.
Yeah. And earth.
Orange.
Orange, what? And earth.
Okay. Ball, balloon, cake. City, clock, DVD, face, hat, moon, orange, and watch. Okay.
Okay.
Listen and color and draw. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ahem.
12B. Party things. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Would you like to colour this picture of a supermarket?
Yes. Can I colour the woman's skates?
OK. What colour?
Pink is my favourite.
OK. Colour her skates then.
Can you see the woman's pink skates? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and draw. 1.
The boy's drinking something.
Yes, it's fruit juice. Shall I colour it orange?
No. Colour it yellow, please.
All right.
2.
Can you see the bottles on the table?
There are 2 bottles. Which one shall I colour?
The round one. Make it green.
OK.
3.
Can you see the boxes under the table?
Yes. One of them is open.
Yes, I can see that.
Shall I colour that box red?
Yes. That's a good idea.
4.
Can I draw something now?
Yes, you can. Would you like to draw a bag?
Yes. Then the boy can carry the shopping.
Good. Draw a bag in the boy's hand.
All right.
5.
Now, can you colour the big bowl?
Yes, I can colour that.
Thanks. Have you got a blue pencil?
Yes, I have. I love that colour.
Good. Colour the big bowl with that one.
Let's try it.
Okay.
Yellow.
Yellow and green. Green. Red.
Open box.
Box is
Big bowl blue.
big bowl. Use in the boy glasses.
Okay. Complete the sentences about the picture in B. Can you read it, baby?
Three people are standing near a table and in supermarket. Both of a bottle and floor
Bottles and bowl
are
bowl, baby.
more
Boxes, sorry.
boxes
Are
on the what the
shelves, baby, shelves.
shelf. The big
box
box on the
is on the
square
floor, and it is
floor is closed. The
blank bottle is the square bottle is next to the big
bottle makes a big one. 4 glasses are with the bowl around
bottle and the
and
smaller bowl.
bowl.
One more try, baby. 3 people are standing near a table in a supermarket.
Most of our bottle and bowl are on the
Shelves.
So the big box is on the floor and it is closed. The square bottle is near a big brown. 4 glasses are beating round bottles.
Smaller
and the
bowl.
small bowl.
Okay. Square boxes, floor, table. Can you read it?
Square box, floor, table.
Square boxes.
Boxes, floor, table.
Can you make another sentence about the picture in C with these 4 words? Can you make a sentence, baby?
No, I can't.
I can. The boxes are square and it is located in the table on the floor.
I know, but I can't draw.
No, baby, you are going to make sentence, not draw.
Okay.
Using these 4 words.
I just know. See? Cake.
Okay, can you read it?
2 square boxes are on the floor under the table. Woman said more. Can you make any next sentence?
Another sentence about the picture in C with these 4 words.
Okay. A woman with that is holding both of the glasses.
Okay, a woman with skates is holding most of the glasses.
Okay, and a woman with skates is holding most of the glasses.
Okay, what does Sam have to do? Listen and write words. Dad's birthday party. I must phone.
What phone?
Okay, can you read it?
This Sam is his father's birthday today. There's party for him this afternoon. Sam has have his with things for the party.
Okay, this is Sam. It's his father's birthday today and there's a party for him this afternoon. Sam has to help his mom with things for the party. Dad's birthday party. I must phone.
What phone?
Call, baby.
Huh?
Which words could you write them on the line? I must
phone.
Okay.
Cousin this afternoon.
Buy a number
8.
A number bottles of lemonade. Wash the 3 purple glasses.
Just some red song. Fight by radio for football.
Yes. I must.
Huh?
You are Sam. Listen and write what you have to do for the party. I must call Uncle Jim this afternoon. I need to buy 2 bottles of lemonade.
Yes.
I need 3 purple bowls.
Chose some red music.
And 5
CD play.
Again, on your own, I must phone Uncle Jim this afternoon.
I phone Uncle Jim this afternoon. 2 bottles
of lemonade.
Watch the 3 people bowl. Chose some red music. Buy CD play.
Player.
Okay. Player. Okay.
Yay! Look at the picture. Tell the story. Picture 1. What do you think is happening in picture 1?
Picture 1. I see. TV.
They get inside. Picture 1. They get inside the house. The family gets inside the house. And
I see a TV, a picture, a kite, a book, a bracelet.
Yeah. Picture 1, the family gets inside the house of their friend, and the friends are watching TV, soccer ball. And number 2, they welcome the family. Am I right? Okay, can you read it?
Tom is watching basketball on TV. What?
Baseball.
Baseball on TV. He really likes baseball. His son Sam is opening the front door. And Uncle Jim and his family are outside. They have a birthday present for Tom.
Yes, Tom is watching baseball on TV. He really likes baseball. His son Sam is opening the front door. Uncle Jim and his family are outside. They have a birthday present for Tom.
Okay.
Who's opening the door now?
Father.
Son, Sam, baby. His son Sam is opening the front door.
How many people are outside the door?
How many people?
3.
Yes. What's Uncle Jim holding? Birthday present?
Yeah.
Birthday present for Tom. Okay. Happy birthday, Dad. What's Tom doing now?
He is
celebrating Dad's birthday. What are Tom's presents? Baseball.
Baseball. What is use? Orange juice.
Yes. Does Tom like
Cake.
present?
And I just know.
Does Tom like his presents?
His brother.
Where are Tom and Sam now?
Tom is sad. He's playing basketball.
Baseball. What are Tom and Sam doing?
Tom and Sam is playing basketball.
Are they happy?
Yes, they're happy.
Yes. Read and draw the birthday party table. Draw, baby, can you get a piece of paper, baby?
Paper?
Can you get a piece of paper? And you're going to follow the instructions, okay?
Okay.
Draw a really big table.
I draw?
Yes, get a piece of paper.
With me.
Okay. Hold on, baby. Asan na? Hold on, baby.
Pati ikaw, inala mo.
Shh. Are you done, baby? Can you find out?
What is I write? What I write?
Okay, you're going to draw a big table.
Okay. This?
It can be round or square. You choose.
Here. That right?
Yes. Baby, big. Is that big table?
Yeah.
Can I look at it?
Draw some grasses spotted.
It should be big table, baby.
Okay. Really?
Big table because you're going to put some glasses.
Okay. Big table. Yeah. Glasses. Two. Bowl. Left. Okay. I can draw. I can't.
Yeah, you can do it. Try it, try it, try it.
I can't.
On the outside. Oh,
I can't. But you can't.
I can too, baby. Hold on. Hold on. Let me try it.
Okay, but I can't.
Paint.
Can you?
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
They told me to write big table. It can be round or square. Hold on, baby. Big table. What shape do you like?
Table?
Yes, round, right?
Round or square?
Okay, table. Round. Hold on. In the table, we have to put glasses, bowl. Okay, glasses. Let me try the glasses. Are you there, baby? Hold on, baby. I am drawing.
I can't.
Hold on.
I can't draw you though.
Hold on, hold on. I am drawing it.
Okay.
Bowl. Tapo. And then glasses, bowl. Whew, my back is aching. Plates. Plates. Yes. Next. Bottles.
Oh.
How to write bottles?
Oh. Are you done?
No, hold on, baby. Look, look, look. I'll share it with you. Is this the correct one?
Huh? Yeah.
Bottles and
Where's me? I draw too.
can you do it?
Where's me?
Okay, do it, baby.
Me too. Where's me?
Okay.
Can I draw?
Yes, baby.
Wait me 2 minutes.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
I can draw.
You can draw it.
You out? Can you out?
Okay. You want me to
I
show
draw.
you?
Wait me.
Yes, baby. We have lots of time.
Can you out? Can you out? I can't draw because you can't out.
What do you mean by that, baby?
I asked you out and I draw.
Ah, okay.
Oh, yeah.
This one?
You are me.
You want me to show you this
Wait.
one?
Huh? Yeah, I draw too. Oh my god. You out. You out. I draw.
What? I don't understand you. Do you want me to go out?
Okay. I can draw.
In a paper, baby. That's why I want you to put it in a paper so that you can show it to me.
You draw too.
I am done drawing.
What?
I am done making it.
Let me. Okay. I draw. Not. No. Yeah.
Tell me if you're done, okay?
I'm not done. Let me 5 minutes.
Yeah, baby. It's not yet time.
Not tap. Okay, with me. Wait. I'm done. I'm done with me. Okay. Funny and funny. And huh? Okay. Oh. Okay. Wait me.
Okay, baby. I'll give you 10 minutes.
Here. In Zalo. That's right?
Are you done?
Yeah, in Zalo.
Zalo? Yeah. Yay! I like it. That's okay, baby. That's beautiful.
Okay.
Nice job. Okay, you tried. Very good. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one.
Next.
Add balloons, baby. Your homework will be draw
Balloon?
about your kitchen Hold on. Let me put it here.
Look, okay.
Hold on, baby. Hold on.
I know it.
Okay.
Yeah. And did it. And this. Look, this look.
Did you put it? Nice.
It's nice.
That's your homework. Okay, very good, baby. Okay. Okay, that's your homework. Okay, good job today, baby.
Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay, baby. See you again on Friday.
Yeah, Friday is not song today.
No song, baby, because it's almost time, okay? See you on Friday.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.